When I was in first year here in our school, I was asking myself what an electronics engineers do. As years go by, I noticed what we specializes in, and I was so excited to learn and applied what I am learning. In my 3 years here in the college, I met many students that shared the same aspiration to analyze gadgets, repairing them, know how they work, and how are they created. Marami yung potential na estudyante ng electronics engineering, hindi lang sila didiscover. Through the years, I have never seen activities that would develop our skills and interests. Akala ho ata ng mga nakapwesto, okay na yung natatanggap namin. Talent show, pageant, quiz bee. Ito lang po ang ilan sa mga activities na nagaganap. How about us, the simple students that does not excel in these things, but wanted to learn more? Gloria Copeland said, "If you think you have arrived, you aren't going anywhere. We want more." If I were to win, I would be a student leader that hear the students need. Not seminar, not pageant, not quiz bee, not talent shows, but rather, I will conduct activities that would develop our talents in our chosen program. For I am a student for the students. A student leader, not a student politician. A student leader that protects. Ang student council law ay piniprotect ang mga tao. Hindi ho tayo nagpapapogi dito. Hindi. Ginagampanan ho natin ang pwesto ho natin. Once again, I am Kevin Chaser Habib, running for the EC representative.